Hello guys, welcome. So in this session we'll be designing a component on this screen, and the component is an isometric view on the left side and the top and front views of the model on the right side. So this is basically the structure or the layout that we are going to get if we finish this session. So what we do is we go to our Creo, then we open a new window to draw our part. Choose the dimensions that you would like. So for me, I'll choose millimeters and hit OK. Then we choose the plane, top, front or right plane. I'll go with the front plane and select the sketch, and the sketch window is opened. So on this window we'll first draw a rectangle, a center rectangle actually, and from the center of the plane draw a rectangle. Click the center mouse button 2 times to display the dimensions. Then we change the dimensions as per our guideline. So this rectangle its length is 290 and the width is 190 shown here. So the length is 290, hit enter, and the width is 190 and hit enter, then hit refit and OK. So this first section is a rectangle. The second section is a circle which we will draw on a dotted plane, which we will create from the plane where our first section is lying. So as we can see, a distance which we need to put here, which is the distance from the first plane that we have drawn our first section of the blend feature that we are going to make. So as per the requirement of this question, we are going to put this dotted plane 175 units away from the first one. So here we put 175, enter, and on this plane we hit OK. Then we select the sketch feature to draw on this plane. Then we select a circle. From the center we draw a circle. Click the center mouse button 2 times, then we alter the dimensions. So this circle is 145 diameter, so put in 145, hit enter, then OK. This is our second section. On this section, as we can see, in the blend features, for us to get the feature is this question requires us, we need to have the sections with the same dimensions, with the same vertices or corners. So a circle actually is 2 corners. So to divide these features, to divide this circle, we will go on this window where our procedure of the blend feature is being recorded. Then we hit edit. Then to edit our circle, we use the divide tool. Then on this side we click here, then that's the first vertex, and this one, and on this side, and finally on this side. Then we hit OK, and then we proceed to the next feature, which is also from a dotted plane produced from this plane, which will be, and this one will be, that's 100 units away from the second one, and we hit OK. Then we sketch, and this one is a square, which is which side is 145. So hit OK, and it's 145, and also 145 on this side. Then we hit OK, and finally our final section is also 100 units away from this plane. Then we hit OK, then we sketch. This final section is a circle, a small circle from the center. Then its diameter should be, its diameter is 40. Here is the diameter 40. So we go back to our drawing, then we put in 40. And as we did earlier, we divide the circle into 4. Here and there, and we hit OK. We are done. And when we are done, when we are done, on this shapes window, we choose the blend feature, and when the blend feature is open, we select this option, selected sections, because if we select sections, all these sketches will be automatically deleted and we will be forced to start from the beginning. So selected features, then we go on sections. In section 1 is undefined, so we select first section, which will be this section, first rectangle, and its starting point is here. And if you want to change the starting point, you just shift the starting point to any corner or any vertex that we would like to put the starting point on, and that's the first one. The second one, we all hit insert, then select the second one, and we insert the third one, which is a square, and finally the last section, which will be this circle. So here is the model, the layout, or the symbol. And as we can see from our question, we need a component with straight edges, so we go back to the component, and then
how are you?
So as I was saying, to get these smooth edges to be straight edges, we go to this blending window and we choose the options, and the smooth was automatically selected for us, so we need the straight edges. But if you need the smooth, is also there, so straight edges. So this is the section that we would like, and as you can see, it's similar to the one that we are being asked to draw. Therefore, and this looks nice, and we hit OK, and we are done. Thank you.